You won't believe how easy it is to turn a $1 pack of Indomie into a dish that tastes like $5 premium meal. With just a few simple ingredients, we are about to level up your noodles like never before. Stay tuned, because this recipe will change the way you eat instant noodle forever. Before we dive into the magic, here is what we'll need. We need 2 eggs, a handful of spinach, 1 medium onion, 1 chopped carrot, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 pack Indomie chicken flavor, 2 cloves of garlic that's chopped, cooking oil. Start by cutting the spinach into small and manageable pieces. Chop the onions finely for that rich aromatic flavor. Dice the carrots into your preferred size. Small pieces will cook faster. Mince the garlic into tiny bites to enhance the taste of the dish. Now take your Indomie and immerse it in a boiling water for a few minutes until it becomes soft. Drain the water, but keep a little for the soup base later. Heat your preferred amount of cooking oil in a pan. Add the chopped onions and fry until golden brown. Crack 2 eggs directly into the pan and mix them well with the onions. Once the eggs start cooking, toss in the chopped carrots and mix everything for uniformity. Sprinkle in the black pepper and turmeric for a burst of flavor. At this point, season the dish with the Indomie spice. Mix for that signature taste. Add your softened Indomie noodles along with a little of its soup and mix everything thoroughly. Finally, toss in the chopped spinach for a boost of nutrients and vibrant color. Mix well and cover the pan for 3 to 5 minutes to let all the flavor blend perfect. And just like that, you have transformed your $1 Indomie into a premium $5 dish. The flavors are rich, the textures is perfect, and the nutrients are on point. Give this a trial and you'll never go back to plain Indomie again. Enjoy.